Parang jerky.
I've been a bacon lover since forever.
So far, gusto mo?
Hi everyone, I'm Jing.
And I'm Bianca.
And welcome again to another episode of
PB&M Test Kitchen.
Today is a special episode because today we are testing a recipe from this book.
It's called The Wicked Healthy Cookbook by Chad Sarno, Derek Sarno, and David Joaquim. What did we make from this book?
We're trying to recreate a recipe they call plant bacon. It's made of carrots, tofu, rice paper, and eggplant. So we will try and test those 4 plant bacons based on this recipe. So right now, we're going to find out if a plant bacon can actually substitute a real pork bacon. To know the step-by-step method of preparing these 4 plant bacon, watch this video.
For carrots, peel, then slice lengthwise into 1/8 inch thick slabs. Steam the carrot slabs in a steam basket over simmering water for 3 minutes to soften them, then let cool. For tofu, cut into slabs 1/4 inch and about 1 inch wide. For eggplant, slice lengthwise into 1/4 inch thick slabs, then cut each slab lengthwise into strips. To make the marinade, whisk the tamari, maple syrup, sriracha, liquid smoke, granulated onion, paprika, garlic, salt, and pepper. Using rice paper, dip each in warm water to soften. Then pat dry with clean kitchen towels. Dip a pastry brush in the marinade and paint the paper all over with marinade. Fold the paper in half to make a half moon shape, then cut it crosswise into strips about 1 inch wide. Place the folded strips on the prepared baking sheet and repeat with the remaining rice papers. Bake the strips until crispy, about 20 minutes. We marinated our plant strips for 2 hours at room temperature before baking them.
This is our reality. Di pa rin eh.
What does it taste?
So, Kyla.
NANI?
What was your experience making the carrot and the tofu?
Actually, yung carrot, it was quite easier to handle kasi yung pag-slice niya is around 1/8 inch thick. And then, yung tofu kasi, it has to be extra firm siguro talaga kasi dun sa book, extra firm. So, firm lang kasi yung tofu and it tended to crumble. So, habang nilalagay yung sauce, medyo fragile siya and then flipping the tofu to the other side, it tended to break. So, kaya medyo ingat lang din sa paglagay ng sauce sa tofu. Pero the carrots was very manageable.
So, sa akin naman, it's the rice paper and the eggplant. So, sa eggplant, medyo nahirapan ako because yung eggplant natin is medyo payat. So, the slices should be a little bit thicker para hindi siya magmukhang masyadong masusunog kaagad sa oven. And sa rice paper naman,
OMG.
it's the hardest plant bacon that I did. We felt na nag-fail kami sa rice paper plant bacon. This is how it turned out. Siguro we have to come up with another method. But basically, most of yung naman, like the tofu, the eggplant, and the carrot came out somehow okay in terms of appearance. In terms of taste,
Ngayon pa lang natin malalaman.
titikman na namin ngayon. Let's taste the eggplant.
Yung thickness niya parang bacon naman. Let's see
Let's
if it
taste.
tastes like bacon. Masarap naman siya. But doesn't taste like bacon.
Tastes like paper with...
Grabe!
Okay lang. Let's taste the tofu.
Mukhang mo siyang maling.
I don't know, I'm a bacon lover and it doesn't taste like bacon. It tastes like tofu with some flavor. Doesn't taste like bacon. Okay.
Ako naman, parang ano siya, parang siyang jerky. Parang ganun.
Parang ganun.
Hindi lang siya ganun
parang
ka-chewy.
ganun.
Pero yung taste niya parang jerky.
And then we'll try the carrots. Tingnan natin kung mukha talaga, ano talaga, lasa talaga siyang bacon.
Sige, ready, go.
Hindi pa rin eh.
But this one is, so far, ito pinaka
Gusto
masarap.
mo? At yung taste ng bacon, hindi siya nakuha masyado. Hindi nakuha masyado. Ito yung sa rice paper. Medyo burnt na siya. Siguro yung temperature, baka masyadong mainit yung ano namin, yung oven or what. Ang lutong, di ba?
Malutong siya. Sayang lang.
Pero
na
kasi
ano.
burnt, hindi siya pwede. Pero hindi pa rin siya lasang bacon, kahit na burnt siya. Ang expectation kasi natin sa cookbook is we're able to substitute plant bacon over the real pork bacon. Parang with this recipe, hindi pa yun na-achieve.
Yeah.
Hindi siya na-achieve.
It's still tasty naman. I mean, you can still add it like to a sandwich or I don't know, you can crumble it on a salad. Pwede naman. Pero yun nga, it's not gonna taste like bacon.
Yeah. With this, parang medyo ano lang ako, nalungkot. Kasi hindi ko pa rin pala pwedeng i-substitute the usual na pork bacon with plant bacon na katulad nito. On to another episode, hahanap ulit kami ng ibang recipe for plant bacon. So anong suggestion natin? Why don't you just get your plant-based bacon here at PB&M so you don't have to make your own plant bacon in your own houses. Less hassle pa, di ba? So you don't need to experiment on your own. Mas convenient pa. So you just open the pack and fry it. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
And see you again on our next episode. Bye!